Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We are going to once again undeniably and confirm just how rigged and scripted the world of professional sports is. And I got to shout out my man Neil. Neil has been on my Patreon page, which we use to decode the entire world of rigged sports. We've been focusing a lot on the NHL and the Copa America in recent weeks. But what Neil caught yesterday in the Formula One, he says this on Patreon, which you can sign up for. I'll link it in the description. But he says, any thoughts on today's Formula One race? I would just laugh if Sergio Pérez, whose name sums to 66, won on 6/6 on a day on the 6/6 date in Azerbaijan, which sums to 66. If I butchered that, understand I am the master of mispronunciation, and we're going to keep it that way. And lo and behold, Sergio Pérez did win this race, and I'm going to show you just how scripted this was. And I got to say this. I glanced briefly at some of the Formula One futures. There's some golden pyramid narratives we're coming up on. I'm going to put that video out to Patreon probably later today or tomorrow. Sometimes there's not enough hours left in the day, but we'll get it out there. But anyway, if you don't know what this is the language of gematria. Gematria is Jewish mysticism that comes from Kabbalah, which has the core belief that God created the world with letters, numbers, and words, meaning any word, phrase, or letter will have a numerical value attached to it. We talk about the alphabetic order. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, up to Z is 26. The reverse alphabetic order, Z is 1, Y is 2, X is 3, back to A is 26. And then the alphabetic order in the reverse with the rules of numerology, meaning you break every letter down to a single digit. So look at this. Neil, you was 100% correct, man. And notice again, the date is 6/6, June 6th. No matter where you are in the world, June 6th is written 6/6. Sergio Pérez, 66. Azerbaijan, 66. And look at this. His first win was also his last win prior to today. And that was at the 2020 Grand Prix on December 6th, a name I'm not going to pronounce correctly. But look at this. This race was December 6th, 2020, right? And notice it was 87 laps. I forgot to put that up here, but Azerbaijan is also 87. But this race, he won December 6th, 2020. And from December 6th, 2020 to June 6th, 2021 is exactly 183 days, like how Azerbaijan is 183 when you run the alphabetic order backwards. And he's got the January 26th birthday. How perfect. His first win was on the date written 1/2, or the date written 12/6. And then his birthday is the other date written 126, January 26th. And look at this. Sergio Pérez, again, when you run the alphabetic order in reverse, is 132. Look at how from his birthday to the date of this race is exactly 132 days. Now, the question you have to ask yourself, if you're a shit-talking hater, is, are you a coincidence theorist? Go back and look at my work on all sports. NHL, the AFL, and the NRL in Australia, all the world of sports. Perfectly rigged and scripted. College football, we've nailed it all. FA Cup, Champions League, Premier League. It's all rigged the same way by the same code. I took this screenshot before the race was even over because I knew it was in the bag. And look at this. The race is 51 laps on top of it. Sergio Pérez, 51. Who would have guessed he'd win the 51 lap race 132 days after his birthday, 183 days after his last win on 6/6. So once again, undeniable, showing how the world of sports is rigged. Again, professional sports are a joke. You have to be a moron to think they're real. Got a busy day ahead of me, boys and girls. Till next time.